You want to cook with less oil? The air fryers have become super popular the last years, mainly because they're energy efficient and they cook food fast, and they are really easy to use. I mean, you could put just anything in there, any food from vegetables and fries to crispy chicken wings. So what is an air fryer? First of all, they are mini powerful convection ovens, not fryers. Today we're going to be focused on Cosori Dual Blaze 6.4 liters Smart Air Fryer Oven with double heating elements. Hi everyone, my name is Adam and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel. Okay, so I never owned an air fryer before. I read about a bunch of them when I wanted to start cooking a bunch of food without all the oil and stinky kitchen smell associated with frying things. It gives me about 80, top 90% of the crispiness I loved with the fried food without the oil. So easy. No smells, no midway flipping or shaking. It's awesome. I'm glad I held out and did my research. I bought it with confidence. And the taste is incredible. If you are new to air fryers like me, it would be a bit of trials and errors to set up the right time and temperatures, but I've masterized the thing in about 3 days, and I got no experience in cooking whatsoever. I'm really impressed. I'm not sure how other air fryers work, but this heats from the bottom and the top. And because it's dual heat, I don't have to turn it, which will possibly remove the crispy coating when trying to awkwardly turn things over half cooked. You really will not be able to taste a difference in terms of crispiness, if you don't overload the tray obviously. Me and my missus, we're using it almost every night since we bought it, and it has saved us a lot of time. It cooks faster and there's no preheat. This particular model with upper and lower heating elements is phenomenal. I would highly recommend it. And the washing is also very easy. I'm not sure if I'm more impressed at how well air fryers work or if it's just that this particular model is so good. Think of it as a mini convection oven to crisp up sides without using the large oven. It's a kitchen game changer. While the presets are not anything I would use on a regular basis, as I prefer to set it up manually, the ability to connect to my phone and voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant make up for it. Don't forget, always keep your food on the basket. This allows the hot air circulation inside the fryer and keeps the food from sitting in excess oil. If you enjoyed that video and found it pretty informative and useful, make sure you're gonna leave us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV.